Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Always Miss Me. Chapter 8, so here it is. Let's read the story. Talk to her now. She was texting her sister, Su Wenjiao. He is asking for money to be able to pay for the tracking services. It's already 9 o'clock. Why aren't you, Su Wen Zhao, coming back yet? Now, seems to be a little bit worried. Then Su Wen Zhao finally came back. Sister, I'm back. Su Wen Zhao, how much will my monthly salary be if I follow you? It is enough for me to buy a new dress. The internship period is 3 months and the salary is 4,500 per month. After the regularization period for 4 months, commissions will be added. Su Wenjiao said to her, but seems to be she was a little bit surprised. Su Wenjiao said the specific salary can be discussed in detail based on this contract. Now Su Wenjiao, she was really ready, preparing everything to be able to see her. Now she moved closer to her. If you make me happy and please me, you can also use your credit card to give me flowers to my sister. Oh, this is really strange right now. Looking at her, she really get angry. Su Wenjiao, are you a psycho? I won't go whatever wants to do it, I will do it. Well, it makes sense to her. Now she knows that Su Wenjiao is really teasing her so much. Okay, sister, I am teasing you. Su Wenjiao is teasing her. Now she asking, what do I do in the company? Well, now it really makes sense. She really want to know what will she do when she was in the company. Su Wenjiao said, my assistant. Now she's a little bit blushing. Of course, having a work with assistant, they will be always together. Back to the company next day. Assistant Su, this is your workstation. Su Wenjiao's secretary is touring her around. Well, it seems to be. The room is really big. Right now, her special assistant task today is to read these documents thoroughly before leaving, get off work and have a basic understandings of the company. Now, she said, I knew it. Well, it makes sense to her. Acquaintance, a company in charge online video operations under the Su Group. Now, UNC said to her, do you need my help? Finally, she was here. She can able to tease her again. Keep reading. If you don't understand anything, feel free to ask me. Su Wenjiao moving closer to her, and now she was really blushing through. She know that Su Wenjiao will never leave her like this. Of course, they will tease each other every day. Why are you here? Where is your special assistant? Su Wenjiao said, outside. Here is my private office. Now, it really makes sense to her. She was really blushing through. The kind of special assistance of yours is sitting outside. Isn't it better for me to sit there? Special Assistant Shang needs to answer call and communicate with the person in charge at any time. What kind of assistant is she? She is clearly a nanny, and she's still very close to her. Sit here and I will personally give you additional 1,000 yuan every month. You can also choose from shopping carts sent by the partners and designers bag. Now, she's been driving. Mr. Su, I just got the news that there is an industry seminar tonight. Specific information is here. Now, the assistant seems to be awkward, seeing the two of them sitting in the private room. Su Wenjiao said, get ready, you two will come with me tonight. I don't go. Why? What should I do if I meet someone no? Well, right now, she was adamant because someone might see her, but right now, Su Wenjiao said if others find out I work as an assistant to my nominal sister, what should I put my face? Now, it really makes her feel so uncomfortable right now. But Su Wenjiao right now, she really want to tease her. If you go, you will be considered as working overtime and will receive triple overtime pay. Right now, it seems that she will be agree. You are precious, she said to Yu Wenjiao. The car is arrived and it seems that she's going to get the car same with UNC. But she seems to be surprised. Well, when she opened the door, She looked up and her personal assistant was also there. Special Assistant Shang, why are you sitting here? Get a car seat so you can sit in the back. Mr. Su is also resting in the back, so don't disturb her. Oh, it seems that this assistant has also some issue. Special Assistant Sang, don't you think it's nice to see me displeased? Are you wondering what relationship between me and the little Sue you call me is? Right now, she wants to tease the special assistant. We used to sleep in the same bed and we still live together. Do you think she would resent me disturbing her? You are talking nonsense, the assistant said to her. Now, she really wants to tease her. But, looking at it, she opened the door and she went inside and she was calling Shu Wenji. Well, this girl, she was really a teaser, right? She was teasing the assistants. Now, when she came inside, she was see Su Wenjia was really sleeping soundly. Well, this girl, she looks really awesome, right? She looks really beautiful. With her innocent look face, anyone will really fall for her. Now, forget it. Let's rest for a while. Let's go. It seems that Su Wenji, she was really tired. Now she really falls at her. Sister, don't lean against me. It's too hot. Let me sit like this, Su Wenjiao said to her. No, I'm tired and sleepy. Well, she can do anything but just to follow Su Wenjiao. I told you to wear so little and thin and transparent clothes. I didn't dress up like this when I attended my birthday party. Well, right now, she was really worried about her sister. She went over first, the assistant's seat was in the back row. Right now, I knew it. She seems to be worried. She was really looking at Su Wenjiao. Hey sister, which company do you work for? I haven't met you before. Are you a recent graduate? Well, everyone seems to want to ask her. Right now, she has really high confidence. I'm the assistant of the Mr. Su from the CK and I'm still in internship period. Turned out to be Mr. Su. I know her, she recently. Well, right now, she seems to be a little well known. What's up with her? She is currently in a relationship with our Mr. Gu from Mao Yuan. Now, hearing this, it makes sense to her. Did you know that Yu Wenjia was in relationship with the other man? Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!